Hello students, this is the intermediate first year chemistry paper. Section C contains 8 marker questions. The 8 marker questions are coming from the atomic structure chapter or classification of the elements and chemical bonding or organic chemistry. Atomic structure, first chapter. If you have any doubt regarding to the any question, just drop the question number in a comment box. I'll explain. You are good at all these questions, you will get good marks in examinations. Just check it. You are thorough with it or not. Thank you students. Have a nice day. Good day.